Ever wondered what it means when a CEO promises to quash rumors, or when headlines say governments are quashing protests? Let's clear this up once and for all. To quash means to suppress something harshly or put an end to it completely. Think of it like stamping out a fire before it spreads. In business, companies often need to quash negative stories. For example, when Tesla faced production delays, they had to quash investor concerns with clear updates. Or when a restaurant chain gets bad reviews about food safety, they might quash the controversy by improving their standards publicly. In news contexts, you'll often see quash used with protests or legal matters. Courts can quash legal decisions, meaning they overturn them completely. Governments might try to quash demonstrations by using force or new laws. Here's the key difference from similar words. Suppress can be temporary, but quash suggests something more final and forceful. Quick quiz time. Which sentence uses quash correctly? A. The company will quash the meeting until next week. Or B. The CEO moved quickly to quash rumors about layoffs. If you chose B, brilliant. You can't quash a meeting to delay it, but you can definitely quash rumors to stop them spreading. That's quash sorted. See you in the next video where we'll tackle another tricky business term.